Tonight is, then last night.
Were
Tengok. Malam ni dengan malam semalam. Ada perbezaan, dua comparison. Warm or warmer?
warmer.
Warmer, Okay. Membandingkan antara dua lah, tonight and last night. Okay, number 6.
He is the boy among his friends.
Okay, he is the boy among his friends. Among his friends ni maksudnya di antara kawan-kawannya. Maknanya ramailah. Apa? Tallest or taller?
Tallest.
Tallest, Okay, maknanya dia yang paling tinggi di antara kawan-kawannya. Okay, next.
My uncle is a driver than my father.
Okay, my uncle is a driver than my father. Most careful or more careful? Tengok perbezaan antara uncle dengan my father. Okay. Ni macam mana pula? More or most?
More carefully.
More careful, Kalau perbezaan antara dua, more. Kalau among the apa ni? Perbezaan antara lebih daripada berdua, yang terpaling most careful. Okay, next.
Your dress is as mine.
Okay, apa dia?